In this video, we will show you the simplest method of how to convert Lotus Notes NSF files to PST, EML, or MBOX file format with attachments files. We bring the best solution for you. Sysinfo NSF to PST Converter is the best and most prominent tool to convert the Lotus Notes NSF files into Outlook PST and other saving formats like EML, MBOX, CSV, etc. The software is highly demanded and allows users to convert NSF files into PST file format in bulk. Before moving to the solution, let's look at some other efficient features of the software. These are some key features and benefits that insist users to use this highly suggested software. Convert single and multiple Lotus Notes NSF files into Outlook PST format. The software comes up with different saving formats like PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, MBOX, PDF, HTML, MHT, and CSV. Using this tool, you can also preview the added NSF file details like subject, type, from, date, mail content, and attachments. You can download the NSF file contacts into a CSV file separately. Allows users to migrate Lotus Notes NSF files into Gmail, Office 365, Yahoo Mail, and IMAP. The software runs on all versions of Windows like 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, and XP. It is also ideal with all the Lotus Notes and Domino server versions. Now, let's check out the prerequisites before installing the tool. To run the software, Lotus Notes must be installed on your computer. If you are using any Windows version like Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, then please run the software as Run as Administrator. You have to establish a proper internet connection to perform the NSF database file conversion. Now, let's discuss the working of the software. Firstly, download and install the Sysinfo NSF to PST Converter on your computer. Once you complete the installation steps, run the software as administrator. Choose options like Select Files or Select Folder to add the NSF files. After adding the NSF file, the software shows you a tree structure containing NSF database files. Here, select the folders you want to convert. You can also preview the mail content and attachments files if required. Click Next to proceed further. Now, you have to choose the saving format like PST, EML, MBOX, or others from the left list. Here, we continue the process by selecting the Outlook PST file format. Use the Remove Duplicate Mails option to exclude similar emails. Exclude All Folder option allows users to remove the All Document folder of the chosen NSF files. You can also save the NSF items into an HTML file separately. Suppose your NSF file is too large, you can use the Split PST option as it allows users to break the large resultant PST file into multiple small sizes. Date Filter enables users to separate the emails between two date ranges. Click on the log file path to assign the saving location of the log file. You can also assign the destination path of the output folder. Click on the Convert button to start the NSF to PST conversion process. Wait for a while till the conversion gets completed. A detailed conversion report gets pop up on your screen. Click OK. And that's it. I hope you learned the best method to convert the NSF file into Outlook PST format with this video.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.